Chair was designed to target specific muscles. They had the paraspinal muscles included, where the hamstrings attached in the lower butt, like piriformis, glute max, muscles that get really tight in the upper back, trapezius, rhomboids. So the different modes are targeting specific muscles that need attention. And this machine feels like hands are on me and not just a vibrating chair, but, you know, different techniques in different areas. So I can feel movement going clockwise or counterclockwise or up and down or sideways. So now I feel like this is happening with two hands, and then back and forth on my butt. So it's almost like electronic hands doing the work and not just, you know, a vibrating machine. Squeezing my forearm muscles to help promote blood flow and lymphatic flow to the lymph nodes. Squeezing and opening up the arches of my foot to separate the different bones in the foot, as well as pressure on the sole of the foot to open up the fascia. So there's definitely targeted pressure. It's soothing, but with enough pressure that it's doing something.